The idea behind the exhibition is to fill the citadel with sounds. So we have the natural sounds of the old city, the bells, the muezzin, the different languages that are spoken within the old city walls, and particularly within the citadel. And now we have this wonderful exhibition, Soundscapes, which is filling the walls with a new sound. This is the first time in the world where an archaeological site has been brought together with modern design, technology and music to produce such a kind of exhibition. What we have here is a real live concert. The music is played on computer command, so the harp that you hear is, in fact, the sounds are coming from the harp. The computer program is making the arms pluck, as with the bells, with the drums, with the tambourines, the contrabass. The hard part of designing such an exhibition was, in fact, trying to make the juxtaposition natural between something that was new and something that was old, and trying to find the harmony within the instruments, within the walls, to make something that looked very natural within the environment. And yet, as you can see, the huge giant-sized instruments certainly are not in their natural habitat. They've been made specifically for the citadel, and we wanted something that was going to fill the ancient citadel walls with colour and sound. And Yael Tevet and Roy Roth came up with this final design that was really a combination of modern colour against the beautiful stones of the Jerusalem walls of the citadel. We've got the music, the new music that was composed by D.D. Fire, that stands in juxtaposition to the wonderful sounds of the natural sounds of the old city.